So who is the worshipped one? He calls himself Allah. In Hebrew, Elohim, Eloha. You find the Jewish people, the concept of godhood, they also believe in one God, one, the maker, alone. Elohim, Eloha. In Arabic, it's Allah, the name he chose for himself. But the concept of Tawheed in Islam is the most powerful concept, because Islam tells you, hold it so close to you and be very, very protective over it, because that is the biggest echo and it is the biggest enlightenment. Everything else will come around it, but itself needs to be there intact. May Allah grant us the sweetness of worshipping Him alone. My brothers, my sisters, the term Nadhir in that verse where Allah says, did the warner not come to you? Do you know what it includes? In the books of tafsir, it includes your age. When I'm young, nothing is paining. I'm running around like this, like that. If I get hurt in one day, it's already better. When you are small, little, if they do a procedure, in a few days, you're already running around and you are okay. When you grow a little bit older, what happens? Your bones begin to ache. Allah says, An-Nadhir. Your hair becomes gray. Your back begins to cave in a little bit. You need a stick. It's normal. It's okay. Allah loves you. If all of those things brought you closer to Allah, good news to you, you will go to Jannatul Firdaus. Khalidina fiha hasunat mustaqarran wa muqama. Allah says you will be there forever and ever.